Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn الممنوع من الصرف, the un-Nunated noun inshallah. In our previous lesson we said that the most of the Arabic nouns are mu'rab, declinable, and it is divided into two categories. First one, al-ism al-munsarif, the nunated noun. There are three endings of noun. The first one, nominative case, the cases of Arabic noun, and its types of i'rab is al-raf'. And the second case is al-mansub, accusative case, and its types of i'rab is al-nasb. And the third case is al-majrur, genitive case, and its type of i'rab is al-jar. Example for nominative case, kitabun, which takes dhamma usually. An example for al-mansub, kitaban. An example for al-majrur, kitabin. For more details of this lesson, you can go to our channel playlist Arabic Grammar. You can watch this video, i'rab al-asma, case endings of Arabic nouns. Second one, al-mamnu' min al-sarf, the un-Nunated noun. In this category, the noun does not accept tanween or kasrah. Instead of kasrah, the sign of nouns in genitive case will be fatha. Example, هذا يوسف, nominative case or marfu'. رأيت يوسف, I saw Yusuf, it's in mansub, accusative case. And هذا الكتاب ليوسف, this book is for Yusuf, majrur, genitive case. It was supposed to be Yusufi, but because this is mamnu' min as-sarf, Yusuf does not accept kasrah. Instead of kasrah, it takes fatha. Now let's learn what are the categories of al-mamnu' min as-sarf. First one, proper nouns ending with alif and nun on fa'alan pattern. Uthman, Sulaiman, Adnan, Ramadan. Second one, proper nouns of females or names of males ending with ta marbuta. Zainabu, Maryamu, Fatimatu, Hamzatu, Talhatu. Third one, foreign names, usually names of prophets and angels. Jibrilu, Mikailu, Ibrahimu, Yusufu, Yaqubu, Ishaqu. Number 4, nouns and adjectives on af'alu pattern. Ahmadu, أحمر أسود أحسن أكبر. Number 5, names of most countries and cities. مكة, مصر, Pakistan, London. 6, adjectives on فعلان pattern. عطشان, جوعان, شبعان, كسلان. Nouns ending with alif mamduda, elongated alif. حمراء, سوداء, صحراء, فقراء. Number 8, broken plurals on مفاعل and مفاعيل patterns. مساجد, مدارس, رسائل, مفاتيح, مصابيح. Not مصابيح, مصابيح. Number 9, some additional nouns besides these nouns. عمر, جهنم, فرعون, يأجوج. إبليس. Please note that nouns accept kasrah only in the following cases. First one, when prefixed with the definite article alif lam, al. أعيش في البيت الأخضر. أخضر normally doesn't accept kasrah, but because it is prefixed with alif lam, it can accept kasrah. The second case, when it is mudaf or possessor. From Quran, from one of the verses, min sha'airillah. As we said, sha'air in the pattern of mafa'il, and it doesn't accept kasrah, but when it is mudaf, possessor, it can also accept kasrah. And that's all today. See you next session inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.